Good evening, friends. Welcome back to Fenny for the Soul for yet another interesting episode. This time, I'll be speaking about our indie dog, Sweetie. Sweetie is female. She's 8 years old, and she came into our home as a little pup of the streets of Pune. And she also got lost as a little pup, and for 3 full days. But very fortunately, we found her, and I guess we were destined to be with each other. This I must stress that indie dogs, in my personal opinion, are best suited for India and our weather conditions. They are local mixed breeds, and they are able to adapt best to our conditions. They are agile, they are fit, they are less prone to disease, and they're extremely loyal and lovable. This video, I'm going to be showing you some of Sweetie's latest antics on our Goan beaches. And, I would like to thank our friend Anchal Nagarkatti, who's also given me some interesting video clips to, complete the video. So sit back and enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Hi guys, today is actually the 8th of June and monsoon has set over Goa, and I have come to the Zalor beach in South Goa with our daughter Tanvi, who's visiting us from Bengaluru, and our doggy. Our doggy is without a leash here, the brown one, Sweetie. Hi Sweetie, say hello. And look at, we are the only creatures on the beach, and look at this monsoon sea. Beautiful, isn't it? Our daughter wants the doggy to come get into the water, but at the distance, let me zoom in. You have some hills you can see. Let's see what our doggy is up to. She wants to start digging something. There. Digging, looking for. So those are all the fishing boats that have been, retired for the monsoon. This doggy is not happy with me. Hey! Hi! Not happy with Sweetie actually. So the doggy on the left who's digging is our doggy, Sweetie. Let me show you more about the monsoon sea. I'm bending down on my knees. And check it out. Yeah, it's quite the monsoon sea can be quite rough, as you can see here. Look at that.
Sit down, na?
Booga. So here our daughter Tanvi and doggy Sweetie are playing a game of football with a coconut on an empty beach. Hi guys, hi, good evening everyone. Yeah, I thought we'll give you a quick feel of the monsoon magic in Goa. Tanvi and Aldridge are visiting us from Bengaluru. They're there in that frame there, and Sweetie, our doggy, on the extreme left. Yeah, so we come to what is called the Wadi beach near our house, and see this side there's not much of a storm, but a storm is brewing on the other side. But look at the ocean now. the ocean at what's the time? 6:30 in the evening. Quite angry, as you can see, quite angry. And yeah, there are a lot of people on the beach because that's one place they can visit in these COVID times. And look at that storm coming. Can you see those dark overhanging clouds? Here they are. The rain monsoon clouds. Yeah, look at that. So you can see all this is coming towards us, and yeah, we may need to beat a hasty retreat soon, but this is just to give you that monsoon mood in Goa, including this high mast light. There it is. Have a good evening. Hi guys, we are back on Wadi Beach in Benolim, and it's a quiet day. As you can see, there is it's a weekday, very little crowd. I think the 10th of June, and we have brought our doggy Sweetie again. She's not on a leash, and this is an experiment we have been trying now, and quite successfully also, that she is without a leash and she's quite comfortable on the beach. And there you can see her on the left, the only dog in the photo. Yeah, there, the brown dog, that's Sweetie. And this is quite a nice beach, Wadi Beach, quite popular with people in Benali. Today it's not been raining, but there are dark clouds in the north. The sun is also peeping out of the clouds, and all in all, a lovely evening, as you can see. Well, enjoy the rest of the video. I forgot, there is a lovely there's a hint of a rainbow there.
See which dog?